So mad with myself right now because today I had a nice adventure into the jungle. What I stumbled upon is this big pond. We end up with some wabin, some cuscorub, and what so happened now, while I was doing this, cleaning the fish and now seasoning it up, as you see I have my camera on my chest here. I was just trying to delete some photos, no not photos, delete some videos, and so happened my hand ended up press the screen. I delete all. I'm so sorry I delete all my videos, and for my adventure today, I'm so sorry I didn't have that videos today. Right now it happened and I decided to post this. I'm so mad by losing all these footage and videos of the adventure today. I'm so sorry, I'm vexed with myself right now, going through all the hard work throughout the day, and now just to come and press the screen on my camera device attached to me here right now. All my files lost, all my video lost, and I'm so mad for that. Oh my god.